get ready with me for summer school day 3, because on Wednesday, that's the first day of summer school, but I did it on the first day because my phone died. So this is obviously the third day, or you can call it the second. But just give me. And I already brushed my teeth. So yeah, I do it. I don't know why it's dark outside, but I can just turn on the light. Let's get ready. So first off, I gotta take my these clothes off and put on lotion and deodorant. So I gotta literally put. Alright guys, I'm done. So we are going to put on the clothes. So for today's clothes, we got black shorts, and white socks and white shoes, because I'm wearing black and white. So let's get it. So right here is the black shirt. Oh, is this one's Batman? I can't remember this one because I'm wearing just a plain black shirt. I forgot. I gotta change. I'm not gonna skip. Alright guys, so I got another black shirt. It wasn't plain, so yep, let's get it. And the drip is done. So, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Shining.